Why do hackers love Kali Linux? It's like giving a chef the ultimate recipe book. But for hacking, in today's video, we'll break down why Kali Linux is every hacker's best friend. And no, it's not just because it's free. The first reason why hackers use Kali Linux is that it's ridiculously easy to install. In fact, installing Kali Linux is so simple that even your grandmother could probably do it. If she wanted to get into ethical hacking, of course. The most important thing for a hacker is not to be tracked, and Linux makes that a breeze. Plus, it works perfectly on old clunky systems, which is why hackers love to buy cheap ancient laptops that look like they've survived a couple of world wars. They install Linux, get their work done, and then casually toss the old machine away. Another reason why hackers flock to Kali Linux is because it comes with pre-installed hacking tools, over 600 of them to be exact. It's like the ultimate hacker's buffet where you don't need to cook anything yourself. Just grab what you need and get to work. No more wasting time hunting down and configuring each tool one by one. Kali's got you covered, so hackers can spend less time installing and more time plotting. Ethically, of course. Whether they're poking around a wireless network or dissecting a web application, Kali's toolkit is like a Swiss Army knife for digital mischief, with all the tools neatly packed and regularly maintained, ready for any hacking adventure. It's basically the all-you-can-hack buffet. Kali Linux doesn't just give hackers the tools they need. It also provides the digital equivalent of an invisibility cloak, offering top-notch security and anonymity. With built-in tools like Tor, the Onion router, and various VPN services, hackers can keep their identities hidden like they're starring in their own spy movie. Need to disappear off the radar while testing public networks? Kali's got you covered. It's like hacking from a secret underground lair, except you're just sitting at a cafe, sipping coffee, and Kali's doing all the stealthy work for you. For ethical hackers and penetration testers, it's basically privacy on autopilot. Another reason hackers love Kali Linux is its live boot functionality. Picture this: an entire hacking environment on a USB stick, ready to spring into action whenever and wherever. Hackers can plug that USB into any computer, boot up Kali, and voila. They're in full hacking mode without leaving a single trace on the host machine. It's the ultimate sneak in, sneak out move. Perfect for when stealth is key. And it's super portable, like carrying a digital ninja in your pocket. Always ready to perform penetration testing at a moment's notice. Kali Linux is like the superhero of operating systems, designed specifically for penetration testing, not your everyday tasks like browsing cat videos or writing essays. It comes out of the box with tools to test system security, scan networks, hunt for vulnerabilities, and even analyze digital evidence. Hackers use it to simulate real-world attacks and find weaknesses before the bad guys do. Kind of like playing the villain to stop the villain. And the best part? Kali can run on pretty much anything. Laptops, Raspberry Pi, even smartphones. Whether you're a newbie just getting into hacking or a cybersecurity pro, Kali Linux is the ultimate must-have in your digital toolbox. In the end, hacking is like the game of chess. Stay one step ahead or you'll be checkmated by a hacker.